Welcome back on this channel. This signal happens once before a bull market starting. The MACD is about to cross, and always as soon the MACD crossed green line, crossed the red line, we saw Bitcoin entered the bull market. So we are shortly before entering the bull market on the big perspective. This is what we will speak, but right now let's speak about the immediate short term, because in the immediate short term we broke down the daily support line, which means we are perfectly filled out our CME gap, which was here around 27,200. Yesterday we spoke about it. Congratulations if you took it. The question is only, will we further go down right now to fill the second CME gap at 21,180, so 20% dump or not? First signal which we have to watch is this symmetrical triangle. I have extended this support line, so in case we are breaking this support line, so this is one of the signs where we can further take a short down to 21,100. However, watch also out here for the weekly and monthly support line. So in case we are breaking here this weekly and monthly support line, this is a clear short opportunity to further short down to 21,000 approximately, where we will find here our CME gap at 21,100 approximately, right? Also, we see here on the total crypto market cap, which I told you always to watch, we broke again inside our channel. And another sign for another short opportunity is in case we are breaking this channel to the downside, this is a very clear signal for a short opportunity down to 21,100. The Gaussian channel showed us also clearly that we are about to dump. So it turned red. Always as the Gaussian channel is turning red, we see a huge dump is happening. You see here, red, a huge dump is happened, right? So the Gaussian channel is still red, and as long as the Gaussian channel not flipping green back again, because if it's flipping green, we see Bitcoin is start to pump. Right now it's showing us we see further dump. The question is only how low we will dump, and how low we will dump, it depends on the VPVR, the volume. Where's the volume coming in? And the crazy thing is, we see perfectly here, in case we are further breaking down, so in case we cannot hold the daily second support, right? So in case we cannot hold here at around 26,500, then the next bigger volume is coming here at the weekly and monthly support line. You see, this is the bigger volume which is coming at 24,800. So this could be, if we are breaking daily support 2, we could short down to 25,300 or 24,800. In case we are breaking the monthly support, as I told you, the next big support, big volume, you see it here, right, is coming at around 21,000 approximately, 20,900, 21,000. And what is the price at 21,000 is also our CME gap at 21,000. You see it here, right? Perfectly not filled. We didn't fill the CME gap. Here we filled it, like I showed you 2 days ago. So this is the question, will we fill it or not? And what speaks also for a further dump is if we are watching the Bitcoin shorts, and Bitcoin shorts formed a double bottom. A double bottom is a sign for a bullishness in the shorts. We are watching the Bitcoin shorts. So how many people are taking shorts? And we see here a lot of people took shorts. Then we've been in a consolidation. And as this bullish sign appears, it shows us that we should see another explosion of the shorts, which would speak for Bitcoin further dumping to the downside. If you want to take a short or a long position, it depends on you, bratans. On Bybit, you get $1,000 free long or short position. Just click the link down below. And also another on a big perspective, I want to show you the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is very important. We have, in order to understand the big picture of Bitcoin, always to consider the stock market, because the stock market and the crypto market moving in a high correlation to each other. So coming to Bitcoin back again, we are speaking around about a big perspective. And we see the Nasdaq compared 1983 compared to 2003, we saw the Nasdaq also, the MACD, as soon 1983, the McDonald's MACD crossed here. We saw a Nasdaq had an explosion, and we see right now 2023, the cross is about to cross or crossed already, which means Nasdaq should explode to the upside. And it never in the history happened that Nasdaq pumped like crazy and Bitcoin not pumped. So usually if Nasdaq pumping, Bitcoin is also going to pump. So we have, but not only Nasdaq. If we are watching, here you see the Nasdaq crossed, and we are awaiting here about to see pump. But obviously we have here some resistance line of the Nasdaq around here, this level of, of 16,900. You see here a lot of resistance. This we have first to break, but we have another bullish sign, and this is the S&P 500. S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. And we see here also the S&P 500 is about to cross here the MACD, the green line, the red line, which would be also highly bullish, which would mean that Bitcoin should also follow the S&P 500. And now we're coming to the big picture of Bitcoin. We are shortly before a bull market, to entering bull market. We have only 1 year time. And it clearly, again, the MACD also showing us, not only the MACD, all the indicators are screaming, the indicators literally shitting in your face, so you wake up from your dream and understand the bull market is in front of our door. It will hit you like a big fat fist in your face if you don't realize it, and then you start foaming in when the Bitcoin price is at 50, 60, 100,000. Because you see here also how the indicator called the Cypher B also has a green dot, which indicates always a huge pump. You see here green dot, bam, huge pump. And also the MACD is about to cross. You see here the green line is about to cross the red line, Suka. You see it here, yeah, very clearly. However, it's not crossed yet, so which clearly speaks that we, like I told you, we have exactly 1 year time to accumulate our favorite altcoin or Bitcoin. I will tell you that every day until you understand it. You do your own research, but until you understand it, because as soon as the halving has happened, this green window opens, the halving, this when halving happened. You see halving happened, pump, halving happened, pump. And this is what we will see April 2024, halving happened, pump. So we have still exactly 1 year to accumulate. As soon as we see here the MACD crossing, as soon as we see the halving has happened, Bitcoin will take off and you will cry that you will not dollar cost average into the market. We have another big news is Nvidia is making games more lifelike with AI, and Nvidia had this news coming yesterday, and Nvidia opened again with a huge pump. I mean, we saw already this pump happened. I explained to you 2, 3, 4 days ago why it happened. The pump happened because Nvidia has the H100 chip, which AI projects need in order to make AI more efficient, right? So this was the reason why we saw Nvidia pumping, but yesterday pumped Nvidia even more. And there was not only this news, the other big news was, or it was obvious, that they hit $1 trillion market cap. It's right now a little bit below, but yesterday they hit $1 trillion market cap. One company, you just imagine Bitcoin has a half trillion dollar market cap at the moment. Here is one company which has a $1 trillion market cap. You see how early we are in the Bitcoin space right now. So, but as Nvidia pumped, as we saw Nvidia pumping, so which, as I explained to you in the last videos, as always, it's always the narrative. So Nvidia is the AI narrative. As soon as the AI narrative pumps, so Nvidia pumped, we saw Huyak, Fetch AI, or the shortcut is Fat AI, saw also a pump. You see it here. Massive pump to the upside. So yesterday the candle went from here till today over 12%, 13% to the upside. And luckily, if you are also a part of our group, Telegram group, we bought at 22 cent Nvidia when we hit here this monthly support line at 22 cents. So we are right now already at 70% profit, at the top already at 27% profits. And I'm buying this step by step. We are building a portfolio step by step for preparing for the bull market 2024, 2025. I show you which altcoins I'm buying, because right now is the time to accumulate your altcoins, your favorite altcoin. They're still over 90% down. So there's an opportunity right now to be rich in the bull market 2024, 2025, and it's not a fantasy. Even your $100 can become a $10,000, which is already a nice profit, right? Which we could make. Let me quickly show you here what I'm watching. I'm right now on CoinMarketCap, and I sorted by 7 days, and I'm watching always which coins dump the most, and this is how I'm watching which altcoins I will accumulate for my long-term portfolio. So right now what we are seeing, Pepe could be potentially, but it's a meme coin. It's a very high risk, very high risk investment, and it's not so high rewarded, because the risk, it's a meme coin, there's nothing but a meme coin, and the market cap is already at $500 million. It's too much. I mean, it can go to, like Shiba Inu, to $5 to 5 billion, so it would be 10x from here, but it's too risky because they're not building anything. It's just a meme coin. But what I'm watching more for is, like, for example, Optimism had a dump of 12%, which is a nice dip to buy more Optimism. Optimism is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, a nice project. Phantom is also a blue chip project, which we also, by the way, bought here in our Telegram. When we bought, I bought it here, Phantom, at 33 cents. Right now we are already at 31 cents, so this is a great opportunity to buy Phantom right now. Phantom, I expecting here to go at least 10x from here to $3 in the bull market 2024-2025. So risk reward is, in my opinion, much better than Pepper here if we are watching Phantom. ApeCoin could potentially also nice be investment. We see ApeCoin also dumped over 10%, so could be also potentially nice opportunity to buy ApeCoin. Probably I would buy some Phantom and some Optimism and maybe ApeCoin right now. And on dollar cost average, not my fullbacks, a little bit, buying a little bit, because the more we are dumping, the more I'm buying, because I'm believing in this project, right? You have always do your own research. But a $1 trillion market cap, I'm expecting if they release, and they have a very big ecosystem, a very big following, a very nice blue chip NFT project. So I'm expecting they could easily go to 10 billion in the bull market 2024-2025. Again, easy 10x on our money, right? So, bratans, I have also here some more news, but I will give you this news either later this day or tomorrow. Write me down below, how do you want it, bratans? How do you want it? Tell me, baby. So, bratans, thank you everyone for watching. If you have any questions, write me down below. I would appreciate if we reach 300 likes, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you, and share this video with your girlfriend, with your grandma, because your grandma will, speaking about Bitcoin when we are 2024, 2025, when it's too late, you have to do your grandma right now, MetaMask. Congratulations to everyone who's watching right now these videos, because right now is the time to focus. Everyone is leaving crypto right now. You see the views are down. The Google search, if you're watching Google search regarding crypto, is completely down the shit. And this is the time to accumulate, because all the altcoins also going to shit. You know, it's always the first mover. If we see the first movers who putting money inside the crypto market, then it starts to run. Then other people moving in, and then they sell the bags to you, and you standing and with these coins and have nothing left. So therefore, right now is the time to pay attention, to focus. Congratulations to you who are watching this channel right now, or other crypto channels, because you stay focused, getting information right now regarding the crypto market, because right now is the time, not when the bull market's starting. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later.